Shanghai Know-How Powder Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive metal powder supplier. We are specialized in supplying atomized iron powder, reduced sponge iron powder, superfine iron powder, alloyed powder, stainless steel powder, carbonyl iron powder, etc., and have an annual production capacity of 200,000 tons. Our associate company has passed ISO 9001 quality certification. The main application include powder metallurgy, welding industry, brake pad, diamond tools, chemicals, surface coating, additive manufacturing, metal injection molding, soft magnetic, water treatment, soil treatment, oxygen absorber, hot pack, copper precipitation. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements or specifications from buyers. Our associate company has advanced analysis equipments to strictly control quality of all products. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality, and competitive prices. Our products are selling to over 30 countries. Most of customers buy our products to replace the products from the suppliers in Europe and North America with competitive prices and high quality. We have branch companies, warehouses, and sales offices in some countries as well to provide better service and timely delivery. We are keep investing new factories and new production lines to improve the capacity. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.